No, just me. Okay. Ugh. Hey girl, so my hair is looking a little busted, okay? And before I show you, I feel like I have to give you a little disclaimer. Keep in mind, I had a baby 4 weeks ago. First of all, where has the time gone? My baby's already a month old. I'm not okay. You can judge me if you want to, but let's just say a lot has been going on, and I've had my hair in these twists for, I want to say 6 weeks. It sounds bad, but I've been washing, conditioning, and wetting my hair on a consistent basis. So it looks bad, it sounds bad, but my hair is not doing too bad, okay? At least that's what I tell myself. Now, let's take the wrap off. Honestly, it looks like I am locking my hair. I'm not. It just looks like I am. So today we are gonna do the whole 9 yards. We're gonna take out these twists, we're gonna wash our hair, we're gonna condition our hair, we're gonna detangle our hair, and if my baby lets me, we are going to style. We'll see where we get, okay? It's a very ambitious journey that we are embarking on. So, you know, we'll see. And when I tell you it looks like I'm locking my hair, for real, it feels like it. Some of the twists have already came out in the back. It's a lot happening, and we gotta take care of it. Ooh, I'm getting too old for this. To take down the twist, I am actually going to put my hair in a bunch of little sections just to keep myself organized, okay? Because let's be honest, this is a big job and I'm trying to keep my sanity. So let's just split this into a bunch of sections. Just like so, and then we are gonna grab a section and start untwisting. It's actually very interesting doing this that way because back in the days, okay, when I was young, and by that I mean 2 years ago, I would have drenched my hair in oil to take it. Oh, what is this? Oh no, oh, I have a whole broken nail. I know no one asked for this, but look at my nails, y'all. And this is, oh, this is the one that's giving me trouble. Why did it have to break so close to the cuticle? Cuticle? You know what I mean, the nail bed. Yeah, I need to get my nails done, and I hope that this isn't gonna get in the way of me doing my hair because, you know, not a cute look. Look at that. Oh my god. Jennifer! Alright, well, let's cut this off. Why? Oh, that's gonna hurt. It looks so ugly. Anyways, back in the days when I would take down a protective style, I would drench my hair in an oil. Okay, I have a million videos on my channel about the whole process. It definitely would look a lot different than what I'm doing today. And today, I am not using any oils to take down my hair. And I'm just gonna hop in the shower and see what happens. I mean, you're already here, girl, so you're gonna see what happens with me. And like I said, my hair isn't technically really dry, it just looks dry, which are two different things. Okay, hair growth. As I take down the twist, I am going to do a little bit of detangling. I don't know if I want to call it that, but I separate the twist further so that it's not matted when I hop in the shower. We're gonna set ourselves up for success, okay? Oh no, I have a knot. It's not panic. Gently take it out. Okay, there we go. Very excited to do my hair today. I don't know if you can tell. It's been a while. Okay, we're making progress. Oh my god. My neck, my back. It didn't take too long, but oh my god, I didn't, oh, sorry, I thought I had an extra section. I didn't realize how much I missed my hair. I'm so happy to have her back. She's giving me 4C vibes. One thing that I'm gonna say though, my scalp is very flaky. Honestly, if I'm not on top of my routine and I don't wash my hair on a weekly basis, then that's what happens. I can try to do treatments or whatever every month or so, but the key to keeping my scalp happy and clean and flake free is to be in it weekly. My neck is killing me though. I have another knot, and they only happen when I'm trying to take down a twist too fast. And actually, let me show you what I meant by taking down the twist and doing a little detangling. So this is a twist right here. So to take it down, I twirl it in the opposite direction under my finger, and that typically helps to break it apart. And then each of the strands, I don't just leave them like that, I go in and separate the strands as well. And that in my head is giving me detangling vibes. At least I'm starting the process. I don't want no smoke. I don't want to fight my hair. I just got her back, so let's be friends. Maybe I should eat though. Hair is out and hair is giving. Okay. I didn't realize how much I missed my hair until I started taking out the twist, y'all. I missed her. I miss her so much. I don't even know if I want to wash it, except the fact that my scalp is so itchy. So this is the hair. This is the before. The back of my hair was a lot drier than the front. And you know why? It's because I haven't been wrapping my hair at night, okay? But don't tell nobody, that's just between you and I. Products that we're gonna be using today, I was actually gifted a bunch of products from Carol's Daughter. Believe it or not, I have never used Carol's Daughter's products before, but I have the Coco Creme line, and I also have the Goddess Strength line. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna use. Intense Moisture System. Intense. Maybe that's the one I'm gonna go with, the Coco Creme line. So we have the shampoo, conditioner. What else we got? A Curl Enhancing Moisture Butter. What's in here? I need my glasses. Why is it so small? I can't even see with my glasses on. Water, cetyl alcohol, beeswax. Interesting. Beeswax is the third ingredient. Why is there beeswax in here? There is glycerin, like fifth ingredient. Perfume. Why is this called a butter? Is there even any butter in here? Okay, down the line, and I'm talking about third row, we got some butter. We have mango butter. We have coconut oil. Indica seed butter. These ingredients, not impressing me. I'm just very thrown off as to why there's beeswax as like the third ingredient. And as you can imagine, this is a very thick butter. I don't know if you can you see. There we go. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair yet, but all I want to do today, my focus is on washing and conditioning and really just detangle my hair. So let's hop in the shower. Let's go do this thing. Once I hopped in the shower, my first course of action was to get my hair wet. So I took my time to do this, okay? This video is just scratching the surface when it comes to how long I took to actually make sure that my hair was wet. Because at the end of the day, water is moisture, water is hydration. And if you're not allowing your hair to get soaked with water, then you're doing yourself a great disservice. And as my hair was absorbing the water, it was getting softer and softer. It was getting heavy with the water. It was detangling itself. And I started to gently separate my hair to remove the rest of the tangle. We went in with the shampoo, of course, and this shampoo actually smells really nice. The entire line smells nice, if I'm going to be fair. And this shampoo did a great job at thoroughly washing my hair. So of course I focus on my scalp first, because are you really washing your hair if you're not making sure that your scalp is clean? And this shampoo itself was pretty moisturizing. If I had to categorize it, I would say it feels like an all-purpose shampoo, meaning that it got my hair pretty clean, it got my scalp pretty clean without being stripped. Although we shouldn't shy away from the strip feeling, because when your hair feels stripped, it means that it's clean. It's not a bad thing. Followed up with the conditioner. Now the conditioner, okay, that one felt really nice. As soon as I put it in my hair, I knew detangling was going to be a breeze. It made my hair feel so soft. I was able to run my fingers through my hair even before going in with the comb. But of course, I like to make sure that my hair is thoroughly detangled, especially after not detangling for 6 weeks. So I added some water to my hair, used the brush to detangle it, and detangling was an absolute breeze. Oh my god, girl. Guess how long it took me? 13 minutes from start to finish. And yes, I timed it. And I thought it was gonna take forever, but my hair felt so good after washing, conditioning. And once you make sure that your hair absorbs a lot of water at the beginning of your routine, everything else feels like a breeze. So detangling was great. I was thoroughly pleased with it. And it just felt so good to wash, condition. This is the amount of shedding that I have. I am still waiting for postpartum shedding to kick in. I mean, I hope it doesn't come, but so far my hair is not breaking, it's not shedding, it's not falling off. So we thank Jesus. Okay, this is my hair after I washed it. It's feeling good, it's feeling clean, it's feeling fresh. And I did put my hair in this towel. Heidi would not recommend you do that. So I actually wasn't gonna use the butter, but I'm gonna use it because I'm very curious. It says for very dry, curly to curly hair. It doesn't smell bad. I don't know, for some reason I feel like I'm hating this product because it has beeswax for no reason. Anyway, so I'm gonna use a little bit of this one and then put my hair in some twists, or I don't know, I kind of feel like just leaving my hair out like this and then do it in a few days. But I just detangled it, so I don't want it to get matted. So I think I may just do some big twists. In a couple of days, I'll style it. And of course, you will see what I do. It's like midnight right now, so let me wrap this up. They say sleep when the baby sleep, but look at me. It is a very thick butter. I don't want to twist my hair. That's what it is. I'm tired. I'm tired. Doing your hair when you're tired is the worst recipe. It's a recipe for disaster. Okay, you know, we're gonna end things here. I'm just gonna leave my hair the way that it is. Next video is going to be me actually styling my hair, because that's what I wanted to do today, but I had to take several breaks because I have a baby. Whenever I end up styling my hair, of course I'll come back and show you, but right now I'm just gonna leave my hair like this, okay? I don't care. I don't care what anybody say. I'm cleaning up. I'm going to eat. And then I'm going to sleep. So this is about 2 days later and I needed to leave the house. Why did I leave my hair like this for 2 days? Don't ask. So I came up with the brilliant idea of spritzing my hair with some water. And then when that did not work, I was like, well, how about we use a mousse? I don't know where I'm going with this, so we're gonna just throw on a head wrap. That's what we're gonna do. I just wanna say that the butter did make my hair feel really nice. You can see the very front of my hair where I use a little bit more butter to do the twist. They remain pretty soft. I'm not gonna be a hater. But I do wanna warn you that it is a thick product. It's a heavy product. So if you don't like that feeling of your hair being coated, this product is probably not for you. But I feel like most of us enjoy a really thick, heavy product. So, you know. The link will be in the description box if you're interested. Now I did end up styling my hair and this is a story for another day.